Q8 Formula Truck 8700 FE 5W30 is our new top-tier HDDO. It's intended to offer fuel economy in combination with engine durability.
It's a product that meets all the latest European emission requirements. So it's a product that is for the future.
The product can cover almost the entire HDDO market. It's for ASEA E6, E7, E9 and also API CJ4. And on top of that we also have a JSO DH2, so the product is for on-highway and also off-highway.
Low SAPs means that this product is designed to create lower ash, and these are the things that are working negatively on the emission systems of the truck.
Engine oil is very important. It's a critical part in your truck or your bus.
It takes years to develop an advanced engine oil because you have to run different tests. And in many cases also you have to perform field testing.
For example, for ASEA E6, this would require over 20 tests. For E9, that's the same.
This means all kind of engine tests, durability tests, wear tests are being done. Also fuel economy tests, cold temperature testing and also high temperature oxidation testing. So that also the oil does not degrade quickly and is protected against that, giving you a longer drain.
These engine tests, they evaluate engine wear, engine deposits, but also, for example, is the engine lubricant compatible with biofuels.
From all the data collected and all the field testing we've done, we ensure that your equipment stays on the road for longer. If you want to start your engine at very low temperatures, for instance minus 30 degrees in winter, your oil still has to be liquid. Otherwise it's not pumped around in the engine and it will cause engine failure.
This oil performs as well in very low temperature circumstances as in high temperature circumstances. So cold, winter, hot, summer, it's all covered by this product. This product is really unique because of the advantages it has on fuel economy.
This product can give fuel economy improvements up to 1.3%. Would you imagine for a fleet owner having a fuel bill of around 1 million euros? This means he could save up to 13,000 euros per year, or maybe even more.
So thanks to all the testing we did and all the data we gathered, we were able to make this specific lubricant, making sure that it was fulfilling the most important aspect, making sure that the truck driver and the fleet owner wouldn't have any unexpected downtime.
This is indeed a product that is designed for the future, so for the road ahead.